Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. Let's see some beautiful crochet summer hat designs model. A crochet summer hat is a lightweight hat made using crochet techniques that is designed to keep you cool and protected from the sun during warm weather. Unlike winter crochet hats, summer versions are breathable, often made with cotton or bamboo yarn. For lightweight, not thick or heavy, airy patterns include small holes or lace design for airflow. Common styles: wide brim sun hats, great for blocking sunlight. Bucket hats, trendy and casual. Floppy hats, soft and relaxed shape. Glossy hats, vintage inspired and close fitting. People love them for protect your face and eyes from the sun. Stylish and handmade can match outfits easily. Perfect for beach trips, picnics or daily wear. Extra details: many crochet summer hats include decorative flowers, ribbons or bows. Use neutral or pastel colors for a fresh look. Adjustable sizing with ties or elastic. Crochet summer hats are popular and very sellable. Here are some practical tips to make you look better, feel comfortable and stand out. Choose the right yarn. Go for cotton, bamboo or linen yarn. These are breathable and absorb sweat. Avoid thick acrylic. It can feel hot in summer. Use airy stitches. Try stitches like double crochet, mesh or lace patterns, shell stitches. These create small gaps that let airflow through the hat. Focus on the brim. Make the brim wide enough for sun protection. Add a little stiffness using tighter stitches or a thin wire or cord in the edge. You can also use fabric stiffener spray. Pick summer colors. Light shades like white, beige, pastel pink or sky blue reflect heat and look fresh. Bright floral colors also sell well. Get the sizing right. Measure head circumference carefully. Add a bit of stress so it fits comfortably. Consider adjustable ties or elastic inside. Add simple decorations. Keep it light and summery. Small crochet flowers. Use ribbons or bows. Wooden beads, not too heavy. Shape and finish nicely. Block your hat after finishing to hold shape. Stamp lightly if needed, depending on your yarn type. Make sure edges are neat and even. Make it practical. Ensure it is foldable for travel. Keep it lighter so it is comfortable for long wear. If you want to sell, take bright, natural light photos. Show it styled like beach, garden or casual outfits. Offer different sizes or custom colors. Improve structure and stability. Use a smaller hook size for the brim to make it firmer. Add a hidden round of slip spaces between crown and brim for better shape. Crochet with tight tension at the edge so it doesn't curl. Make it extra breathable. Add a ventilation round, mesh row around the crown area. Try combining solid plus lace sections, top solid and side airy. Upgrade your finishing. Use an invisible join instead of slip stitch joints for a cleaner look. Weave in ends neatly so nothing shows outside. Add a simple lining band inside soft fabric stripe for comfort. Trendy design ideas, two-tone hats. Use neutral base plus colored brim. Ombre yarn for smooth color transitions. Minimalist style with just one small detail. Very trendy now. Faint and comfortable tricks. Add a sweet band lining using cotton fabric inside. Slightly stretch the hat while blocking so it doesn't feel tight. Make a tipper crown for better coverage in sunny weather. Sun protection tips. Use tighter stitches on top crown to block sunlight. Make the brim slightly angled. Drawn wire for face shade. Darker colors under the brim can reduce glare. Sun protection tips. Use tighter stitches on top for crown to block sunlight. Make the brim slightly angled. Drawn wide for face shade. Darker colors under the brim can reduce glare. Make your hats stand out for selling or sharing. Photographs on a mannequin head or real model. Add props like sunglasses, flowers, or beach bags. Use soft natural light for morning or evening. Yarn and texture tricks. Try mercerized cotton for a softer, smoother, and slightly shiny finish. Mix two thin yarn strands in different colors for a subtle blended effect. Use textured stitches only in small areas so the hat stays light but interesting. Shape perfection tip. Increase stitches evenly and slowly when shaping the crown to avoid a pointed top. For a flat crown, stop increasing when it sits flat on a table. Slightly curve the brim, drawn forward by adjusting stitch height. Half double crochet works well. Make it more unique. Add a removable decoration, flower or bow with a button or pin. Create a reversible hat with two color layers. Add open work in details or small patterns for a signature look. Add a thin wire or fishing line in the brim edge for perfect shape. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!